Good morning, all. As we are heading for this e-voting process, first time ever in NIPM's elections history, I'm starting for this e-voting process. We have received this mail from evoting@nsdl.com, and they have given this website of NSDL. I'm clicking on this website. After clicking on this website, you can see shareholder member login on this dashboard. I will click on this login page. I will enter my user ID, which I have received in my mail. I will select login type as OTP. I will enter this verification code. After that, I will click on this acceptance of terms and conditions. And then I will click on this login page. After clicking on this login, I will receive OTP on my mobile number and my email ID. It can take few minutes or few seconds also. I will submit it. After clicking on submit, I'm getting this dashboard of e-ballot. I will start with national president position. After clicking for this national president position, I'm getting names of contestants. I will cast my vote for this desired candidate. Click on submit. Click on confirm. If you want to take printout, you can take, or otherwise click OK and proceed further. After that, I will click on this national vice president position. Again, cast my vote for this desired candidate. Submit. Confirm. Now I'll go to this National Honorable General Secretary. Click on my vote. Submit. Confirm. Proceed further. Cast my vote for this Additional General Secretary. Same procedure I have to repeat for all these positions. You can see this is very easy. Now I have shown you process for these 5 positions. I have to repeat this process for all these positions. After completing this procedure for all the positions which we can see on this dashboard, I can see my e-voting status as voted, and you have to complete this procedure for vote pending status shown. After completing this process for all the positions, you can just log out from this dashboard and this process is complete. Thank you.